Hello everybody. This is your old pal Francis and bringing you another video for today. Why am I sounding like an announcer? Okay, so here's the thing. Since this morning, I just received a text telling me that my item will be delivered today. Wow. I just ordered last month an SD card from Shopee, and when I tried to browse over the prices, I found something there that's reasonable enough. But the thing is, some of the products may not be authentic, but the price is so believable. So maybe that's the reason why. So I got the package right here, delivered from Shopee. Hold on. Oh, sorry. There you go. There you go. It's from Shopee right there. Okay. And so I'll be opening this now and show you what the item specifically is that I bought. All right. Just give me a moment here. I'm just gonna find. Yeah, hold on. Got my trusty blade here. All right, I'm gonna shift this one. I'm gonna shift it right now. So hold on. As you can see here, I'm about to open the package now. So let me just go ahead. And it's still sealed up. Nice package. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Ooh. This is what I like, the package here. Very bubbly, very protective. That's what I like. Here we go. This is the item that I bought. For those who are wondering how much I bought for this one, well, I paid this for $455 plus shipping and everything, since this was delivered from, I don't know, the last time when I saw the address was from China, I guess. So this is the Samsung Evo. In a few moments I'll be testing this using my laptop and to find out. Oh yeah, one more thing. Okay guys, oops. What's the reason behind that I bought this one at Shopee? I need a big capacity for me to do my other vlogs, because the one that's attached or inserted at my mobile phone is around 8 gig. So I got here, well, hopefully it's going to be 128, but according to the information that I read, it's going to be only 119 or 120 gigabytes. But for that particular price plus shipping and everything, let's hope it's worth it. So let's see. So let me go ahead and shift it to my computer. Let's get to it. Yeah. Scissors. Right here. Here we go. By water. Righty. Sorry with this. There it is. There it is. Yeah, here it is. No. So far, so good. Seems okay. There. There you go. So stalls, or I mean, business people at Shopee. Okay. I have here my handy-dandy USB port for the SD card. So in a few moments, let's see the capacity. Alright, there you go. So that. Alright, as you can see here, this is the capacity that I bought of the micro SD card, which is 124 gigabytes free. So let's give it a closer look. Properties. There you have it. So don't mind about the used space. That's actually normal. Doesn't have to be 0. So let's leave that for now. So free space, as you can see, for 124 gigabyte estimated 134,150,422,000. You get the idea. Let's test it out. Let's see if it works. So what I'm gonna do now is paste an object here, refresh. Yeah, let's hope. Yep, I'm still in drive D, and so far as it reads, oh, that's my beautiful bike. Yeah, so it works. For those who are curious, here we go. Alright, there you have it. As you saw earlier, as I've tested and tried it out by inserting a certain file. What I haven't tried here is to insert videos. So instead of losing around 10 gigabytes according to the information that I read, the one who is selling this, so far it worked well, and the capacity says it's around 130, how do you say it, 130 gig, which is cool. But don't expect that's the total capacity, so it's going to adjust. So for those who has no idea about it, it's not really exact. It gives you a rough idea. So more or less, I think this is going to be worthwhile. I think I didn't lose anything, but the real test here is I've been hearing after a week or two might corrupt files. So I'll give you an update to see if my videos or images that I'll be inserting these into my mobile phone I'm using right now would have any errors in it. After 2 weeks, just to let you know that the SD that I bought really works, and the one I bought from Shopee. So far it works, so far it's good. That's it for now. I hope you guys like the video that I present to you in a review for the SD card that I bought at Shopee. Hope, again, no regrets. And let's find out. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button down there. If you're interested in my upcoming videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for you to be notified. Alright? Leave down into the comments how did you find the SD card review. And so far, Shopee's great. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.